Good morning everyone, this is Cornell. I'm a junior front-end developer and student at CodeApp Academy, and this is another video from the Free Code Camp JavaScript challenges. This one is called the falsy bouncer, and basically we need to remove all the falsy values from an array. As we know, the falsy values are false, null, zero, empty string, undefined, and none. And we're just gonna get this started right away. I'm just gonna go to the console where I already made a constant with our array and a new array in which we are going to push the values that are not falsy. So one way we can check if a value is false or not, we can just write here boolean, and whatever we call this with is gonna tell us if it's false or true. So as you can see now, it's false, empty string is false, false is false. If we put here number 7 is true, of course. If we put an object, it's true again. If we put none, it's false. So this is one way to check which one is falsy and which one is not. And I'm just gonna say now, I'm just gonna loop through the array and check each of the elements at each of the indexes and see if they are true or falsy. So I'm gonna say for let I equal to 0 as long as I is less than array dot length. We are going to increment I, and I'm just gonna put here an if statement. I'm gonna say if array of I, so basically if the element at the index of I is true, so if 7 is true, if 8 is true, if empty string is true, then we are going to push that element in our new array dot push array of I. And let me just show you first. I'm gonna just console log the array of I so you can see. So basically 7, 8 and 9 are true, and these are the values that are going to be pushed in the new array. If we want, we can see also the falsy values. We just put here an exclamation point which will negate this. So if the element at the index of I is not true, console log it. So we're gonna console log. As you can see, we have an empty string. This would be the empty string and the false value. Of course, we can also do this by using the map method. We can just say array.map, which takes in an element as an argument, and we are going to say the same things as we already did here. We're going to say if element, so if the element is true, we are just going to push it into our new array dot push element. And of course, I'm just gonna console log this again just to see that it shows us the same result. Console log element, and of course the same things are being returned. And we can also do this in a more easier way than the ones that I already did. We can just say array dot filter, and we can filter the boolean values and as you can see we got the same result, because filter, as we can see here, the filter method creates a new array with all elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. So basically, if you go to our exercise, I'm just gonna write the shortest solution because it looks nice. I'm gonna say array.filter for the boolean, of course, and everything is good, everything works. So this is just another example that you can write a solution or arrive to a solution multiple ways. Yeah, like I said, I like first to go for the for loop, and then a very good idea that I heard from Marian that he used to make the transition for to map when he did this. So basically every time I need to use a for loop, I'm gonna try to implement a map after that. And as you can see, everything works. This was the exercise. If you have any thoughts, leave them in the comment section, and I'm gonna be right back with an update. So until then, may the source be with you.